How to create Recaptcha for your website, especially when you use our SaaS system or any our script where required the Google Recaptcha. First, you can give the label like your domain name. We normally use Recaptcha version 2. And here is three option. You can select which one you require. But for visible, you need to select first one. Then you can add here is domain. If you want to test in your local host, you need to select a local host. You can give here multiple domain also. Done. Now you can copy the site key and secret key and place on your site. Done. Thank you.